If you're a Minecraft player looking for epic graphics, you need OptiFine in your toolkit. Ready to level up your visuals in just 1 minute? Let's get those pixels popping. First things first, make sure you've run Minecraft 1.21.5 at least once and that you have Java installed. No Java? Grab it from the official site. It's free. Now jump over to optifine.net/downloads. Beware of imposters. Only trust the official page. Find the OptiFine version for 1.21.5. Sometimes it's under preview versions. Hit that download button. You might see a weird ad fly page. Wait for the timer, then click Skip Ad. Don't touch any sketchy ads. Download the .jar file, and if your browser warns you, it's cool as long as you're on the real site. Double-click the .jar file to open the installer. Click Install and let the magic happen. Once it says Success, open your Minecraft launcher. Choose the new OptiFine profile, hit play, and enjoy those buttery smooth graphics.